ceiling fan. I could be the man, but I left him right there in his living room, hanging from the ceiling fan.
Post-precociousness, used to braggadocious shit, but settled down once given all my recommended dosages of hopelessness. Supposed to keep the pros so lit, but lubricated haters with my loneliness. The dopest shit, yeah. You say that hole so big, you see that hole so big. From the rope we used to choke, but left a hole so big. So know your rig before you go and throw your shit around the ceiling fan. Your plan should plan for solo trips.
I could be the man, but I left him right there in his living room, hanging from the ceiling fan.
We shouldn't be up here. There are ghosts up here.